Hi everyone! For our lesson plan, we use the app Clips. Clips is a free video editing app that can be used on either a cell phone or laptop. With Clips, you can make videos using photos that you have already taken. You can add stickers and text and so much more. Today, we will be showing you step by step how to use Clips and to make your own video.
Hi everyone, I'm going to be showing you how to use Clips. So some of you may already have it downloaded on your iPhones. It is a free app that should automatically come with it. If not, you can go to the App Store and you can type in Clips and you can download it and it is free. Or if you have an Android, you can just do the same thing. You go to your App Store and you download it. I already have it, so I'm just going to pull it up on my phone here. So here is Clips. So as you can see, there's three buttons. There's camera, library, and posters. So I already took pictures of Sarah acting out as a plant, different parts of the plant. So we're just going to make the video today since I already have the photos. So first you go to library, and we're going to click the C here. And so you press this button down here, and you pull it up. This is Sarah acting out as a seed. Then you do the same thing once again. You go to your library, and you hold this down and pull it up. This is Sarah acting out as roots. And again, you're just going to keep doing the same thing. We go to library, click it, hold it, and pull it up. This is Sarah acting out as a stem. This is Sarah acting out as leaves. This is Sarah acting out as a flower and is the final product. So as you can see, we made our video here. So once you're finished doing that, you can add stickers or text. We did not. So we're just going to click play. And you pull it up. This is Sarah acting out as a seed. This down and pull it up. This is Sarah acting out as roots. Hold it and pull it up. This is Sarah acting out as a stem. This is Sarah acting out as leaves. This is Sarah acting out as a flower and is the final product. Okay, that concludes our tutorial of how to make a Clips video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned all new things today.